HostArmada Affiliate Program. HostArmada Affiliate Program helps you to earn money with the sale of different hosting plans, and they have there some rules and regulations that are known as terms and conditions. Here we are going to discuss these two important sections of this review, so don't do the mistake to skip this section. Payment and commission structure. HostArmada is offering their affiliate programs on these three hosting plans, which are as follows. 1. Cloud Shared Hosting. 2. Cloud SSD VPS Hosting. 3. Dedicated CPU Hosting. You get a higher commission with a high number of sales. All different hosting plans come with different commission packages. Look at the below image as it shows the affiliate programs, deals and commission structure. Once the sale is done with your affiliate link, the payment comes directly to your PayPal account after 45 days, only when you have crossed $100 sales. Visit HostArmada affiliate sign-up page. Terms and conditions. The basic terms and conditions by HostArmada are as follows. 1. You should sell a minimum of $100 to get paid. 2. Payment is paid after 45 days of selling the product. 3. Payment can be received only by PayPal. How to apply for HostArmada affiliate program. Applying for HostArmada's affiliate program is easier than creating an account on Facebook. Here we are going to discuss how you can apply for HostArmada's affiliate program. So, without wasting any time, let's know how to apply for the HostArmada's affiliate program. Step 1. Visit HostArmada.com and scroll down to the footer of the homepage. Click on Affiliate Program. Or click here for quick registration. Visit HostArmada affiliate sign-up page. Step 2. Now, we'll be redirected to the affiliate programs page. Click on Get Started, and continue. Step 3. Now, you will be asked for the personal information details. Enter all the details, and scroll down below. Step 4. Now you have to enter some additional details like URL, your street, and others. Please enter your details and continue. Step 5. The final step to join HostArmada's affiliate program, you have to enter your PayPal email to receive payments. Enter it and don't forget to check the terms and conditions box. And then hit sign up. Congratulations, you have successfully joined HostArmada's affiliate program. Visit HostArmada affiliate sign-up page. What is the payment method for the HostArmada affiliate program? HostArmada pays its affiliate partners via PayPal. The payment comes after the free trial period of the hosting plan, that is after 45 days. HostArmada only pays your commission if your affiliate wallet has more than $100. If you have more than that, you are eligible to get paid by HostArmada. How to promote HostArmada affiliate program. Let's discuss some ways by which you can promote your affiliate link and engage more audience. So here are those. Promote on your site. Promote your affiliate links on your blog or website by creating ads, banners, and others. Create a banner that promotes your HostArmada's affiliate program products and insert your affiliate link on it, so that the customer can redirect to that product page. Use those affiliate links on your sidebar, body of the page, and in the footer. Publish product reviews. For promoting your affiliate link, you can start reviewing the products of your that website. Like you are going to start promoting your HostArmada's affiliate link, then you can start reviewing their hosting such as HostArmada Cloud VPS Hosting Review, HostArmada Review, etc. Social media is a good platform. Social media is one largest platforms to grow your business and engage more audiences or people across the world. Use your social media accounts to promote the affiliate links that will help you to reach more and a new audience across different cities and countries. To get more audience and visitors to your link, you can publish paid ads offered by Facebook that will help you reach more audiences faster. Take advantage of your subscribers. When you have a good number of audience or subscribers on your blog, then you can take advantage of that. You can create an email list of your subscribers and start promoting your affiliate link by sending them an email related to the hosting deals, coupons, and offers.